Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best PS4 Slim upgrade is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can do for your console. Running out of space on your PS4 Slim? Slow load times cut you down. In this video, we're diving deep into upgrading your PS4 Slim's hard drive, showing you how to boost storage, speed up load times, and breathe new life into your gaming experience. Let's get started. Number 5. OWC 1TB PS4 Internal Drive Upgrade Kit. Tired of running out of space on your PS4? This kit provides everything you need to upgrade your console's internal storage. It's a simple and effective way to get more room for your games. The kit comes with a 1TB 2.5-inch HGST TravelStar HDD, an OWC Express USB 3.0 black enclosure, an 8GB flash drive, a USB cable, and a screwdriver. It has everything you need to get started right away. This kit makes it easy to replace or upgrade the existing 2.5 drive in your PlayStation 4. You can transfer all your game data to the new drive without any hassle. You can convert your PlayStation 4's original drive into a new external HDD. It is compatible with any USB 2.0 3.0 equipped computer, giving you extra storage options. This upgrade kit is compatible with PlayStation 4, PS4, PlayStation 4 Slim, PS4 Slim, PlayStation 4 Pro, PS4 Pro, and even PlayStation 3, PS3. It's a versatile solution for your gaming needs. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a smooth upgrade, including an external enclosure. It allows you to transfer all your game data, making the transition seamless. If you are looking for an easy, all-in-one solution that also lets you repurpose your old drive, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit delivers on everything as promised, and the replacement and install couldn't have been easier. The kit ships in a nondescript and deceptively small cardboard box. It comes with a succinct single sheet of instructions that walks you through the upgrade process in 4 main steps. 1. Back up your save game data onto the USB drive, provided with the bundle. 2. Physically replace the stock hard drive with the upgrade drive, using the provided screwdriver. 3. Download and install the latest PS4 system software using the provided USB drive. 4. Restore your save game data to the new drive, and reinstall your games. Number 4. MDD 2TB PS4 Hard Drive Upgrade Kit. Tired of deleting games to make room for new ones? This upgrade kit provides a massive 2 TB of storage, giving you plenty of space for all your favorite games. It's the perfect solution for expanding your PlayStation 4's capacity. With a 2 TB hard drive, you can store up to 160 games. That's a huge library at your fingertips. You'll have plenty of room for all the latest titles and your classic favorites. This 2.5-inch SATA hard drive operates at 5,400 revolutions per minute with a 16 MB cache. It ensures smooth and responsive performance for your PS4. You'll experience faster loading times and a more enjoyable gaming experience. The kit includes a PS4 HDD installation manual and a firmware download link. The installation process is straightforward, so you can quickly and easily upgrade your console. Get ready to enjoy more games with ease. This upgrade kit works with all PlayStation 4 models, including the original, Slim, and Pro versions. It's a versatile solution for any PS4 gamer looking to expand their storage. This will be a great choice for you. What we like. With its 2 TB capacity, it can store a huge library of games. The included installation manual simplifies the upgrade process. If you have a large game collection and want a straightforward upgrade, this drive offers great value. What people say. I have the PS4 500 million edition and the hard drive could not access system storage. Purchase this HDD and problem fixed. Noise level is just like the original. It gave more storage and fixed the issue. It works great, was easy to install, and we have no issues with it. Best of all, I was able to increase the storage from 1 GB to 2 GB. Number 3. OWC 2.0 TB External Hard Drive for PlayStation 4. Tired of running out of space on your PlayStation 4? This external hard drive is the perfect solution. It provides a massive 2.0 TB of storage, giving you plenty of room for all your games and saves. This drive works seamlessly with your PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 Slim, and PlayStation 4 Pro. It's a universal upgrade for your entire PS4 family. Everything you need is included in the box. This kit makes upgrading your PS4 easy and convenient. You'll be gaming with more space in no time. The kit includes a high-quality, double-shielded USB 3.0 cable for fast and reliable data transfer. It also comes with an express installation guide to help you get started quickly. The included express installation guide makes setup a breeze. Simply follow the instructions, and you'll be enjoying your expanded storage in minutes. It's that simple. Keep your new hard drive safe with the included carrying sleeve. This will protect it from scratches and bumps when you're on the go. It's a great bonus. What we like. This external drive offers a simple, plug-and-play upgrade solution. It comes with a high-quality USB 3.0 cable for fast data transfer. If you want an easy-to-install external solution without opening your console, this is a great option. What people say. I found this to be exactly what I needed for my PS4. I used this for my PS4, which was completely out of memory. I like this product because it did exactly what it promised. One of the easiest products I have ever used. It took less than 5 minutes to set it up, and the transfer of data from my PS4 was quick and flawless. It works. Number 2. MaxDigitalData 1TB 2.5 Gaming Hard Drive for PS3 PS4. This is a 2.5-inch SATA gaming hard drive from MaxDigitalData. It's designed specifically for your PS3 and PS4 gaming consoles. It offers a great storage solution for your games. With a massive 1 TB capacity, this hard drive can store a lot of games. You can store up to 80 games, each with 25 GB of data. It's perfect for gamers who want to have a large library of games. The drive operates at 5,400 revolutions per minute with an 8 MB cache and SATA 3.0 Gbps interface. This combination ensures smooth performance while playing games. It provides a balance of speed and storage capacity. This hard drive is compatible with PS3, PS4 Original, Slim, and Pro models. It's a great way to upgrade your console storage. It's easy to install and use. The product comes with a 2-year warranty. It provides peace of mind knowing that it is protected against defects. You can enjoy your gaming experience without worry. What we like. This drive provides a solid 1 TB of storage, suitable for a good-sized game library. It's compatible with both PS3 and PS4 consoles. If you're looking for a reliable drive with broad compatibility, this is a solid choice. What people say. This 1 TB hard drive was the perfect fit for the PS4. It went right in and then worked like a charm. Easy installation and comes with instructions on how to install the PS4 system on it, so very happy. You do need a computer and flash drive to download and transfer the system to the PS4. Since I installed it, no issues. Number 1. MaxDigitalData 2 TB 2.5 Gaming Hard Drive for PS4. This is a 2.5-inch SATA gaming hard drive. It has a 2 TB capacity, perfect for storing all your favorite games. It's designed specifically for PS4 gaming systems. With a massive 2 TB capacity, it can store a huge amount of games. You can save up to 160 games with 25 GB each. This gives you plenty of space for your entire game library. This hard drive works seamlessly with various PS4 models. It is compatible with the original, Slim, and Pro versions. You can easily upgrade your console storage. The package includes a PS4 HDD installation manual. It also provides a link to download the PS4 firmware. This makes the setup process straightforward. The product comes with a 2-year warranty from the reseller. This ensures that you are covered in case of any issues. It provides peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This drive offers a massive 2 TB of storage, perfect for gamers with extensive libraries. It comes with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind. If you want the most storage and a warranty, this drive is a great pick. What people say. Hard drive comes with instructions. Follow those and your game will work like new. Upgraded my storage by 1 TB. Easy instructions for installation. Within 30 minutes, I was up and running. Easy to install and came with a step-by-step with YouTube and PSN website links to all you need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.